What is up, Dent Tent family? It's me, Dave, your favorite Sacramento dent repair specialist, coming to you from here, from the Dent Tent. Man, I got a really cool video for you guys today. But first, check out the new waiting area. Let's go. It's still in progress. I haven't put it all the way together yet, but we got a fridge full of waters, an old school Nintendo if you guys want to get down on some Super Mario Brothers. Even has Contra, Excite Bike, some coffee I'm setting up, you guys, and some more water here. So, but anyways, you have to check this out. What we got going on here? We have a really cool Rubicon Jeep Wrangler here, fully decked out, and I just got it pulled in here. This is a repeat customer, super nice. And he picked up a dent in his hood. Who knows what happened there? There's a couple of them in there, you guys can see. So today I'm going to show you how I turn something like this into something like this. Let's go. All right, guys, I want to thank you guys for coming along and hanging out with me today. We got a really cool video today. This is a super cool Jeep. I had no idea what I was getting into. I just got a text message. It just showed a dent on the hood. I said, all right, no problem. But when it pulled up, I was like, well, guess I'm gonna have to get this stepladder out to make this thing happen. So here I am. I'm moving the inner liner from underneath the hood there to get to this dent. So here you see me strapping up this hood, securing it, make sure it doesn't wiggle around on me while I'm making my pushes. So here I am. I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna get after this. So first thing that comes to mind is this. It's an S-Huck. We use these S-Hucks to get leverage in areas where there isn't any. So these are awesome for hoods, pop-up trunks, and roofs and stuff like that. Here you see me putting on the rubber tip on my tool. And with any dent, the very first step is to warm it up. We don't want to break the paint and ruin this job, because your job can go sideways really quick if that paint isn't warmed up correctly. So here I am beginning my first initial pushes, and I lost my tip. You see it? Flew on the ground. Yeah, let's get a new one on there. Keep pushing. And you're gonna see me here get this camera angle. You guys can guess how I got this camera all the way up there to get this perspective. So I'm going to start my pushes on the very right part of this dent. You see where it has the most tension, and bango. Any dent repair guy loves to hear that noise. It is music to our ears. You'll hear me celebrate here in a minute.
Oh yeah.
So while we're on the subject of where to push, I explain this to my customers. It's not just pushing a dent out, you have to unfold the dent. So the way I explain it is, if you have a folded up piece of paper, the only way to unfold it is to open it up one section at a time. So you have to open up one leaf, then open up another leaf, and then open up the next leaf until you get it fully unfolded. Dents are no different. If you unfold a dent in the wrong order, there's no way you're going to be able to get it out. So this technique comes with a ton of experience and practice. So in order to get a dent out correctly, you have to unfold it in the correct order. I explain this to my customers all the time. So here I am, you guys see me, I'm tapping down the highs now and just cleaning this up. So working on hoods is really difficult because you can see it from all angles. You can walk around the whole car and see it from any angle where you're standing at. And dents in particular right in front of the driver are extremely difficult because you have to get them fully dialed in. The customer is going to get in this Jeep and he's going to stare at that thing constantly while he's driving down the road. So I have to take my time and make sure this thing is 100%. So that's why you see me here kind of nitpicking and doing final little touch-ups here, kind of tapping and moving metal around just so I can get it fully dialed in. See me moving the light around, I gotta get different angles. Moving the metal around here. And here I am, I'm finishing up. So I'm just putting the liner back together here, getting this thing strapped back up and get it ready for the customer here. So I'm pretty excited about the results and you guys will see it here in a minute. So if you guys have any problems or any dents going on with your cars, don't hesitate to reach out. Call me direct. I know I have an Instagram and Facebook page and even this YouTube page, but the best way to get a hold of me is just talk to me one-on-one. Give me a call. My number will be up here on the screen. And come say hi. Pretty excited about this thing. So I'm here just getting his hood cover flipped back in. And now it's time to get this bad boy out and ready to rock. Pretty excited about jumping on this thing. You gotta hear me scream there. This thing's really, really cool. Big jump. We're rocking and rolling. Hey. The whole time I'm thinking about going camping. I have camped up on the Rubicon trail. It's really, really awesome. Let's get this thing dialed in here. Woo! That was fun. Here, you guys enjoy this results.